Hello, and welcome to the 30-Day English Speaking Challenge. I'm George, and I'm very happy you're here. Today is day 1, and we're starting with a situation that you may experience many times in your everyday life. Today we're going to practice ordering food at a restaurant. Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant in an English-speaking country. The waiter comes to your table. You look at the menu. You want to order something to eat and drink. Maybe you have a question about the food. Maybe you want to ask what the waiter recommends. And at the end, you need to ask for the bill and pay. These are simple situations, but knowing what to say can make you feel much more comfortable when speaking English. And that's what this 30-day speaking challenge is all about. For the next 30 days, we'll practice English in 30 different everyday situations. You won't just learn English words, you'll learn how to use simple English to communicate. You'll listen to conversations. You'll learn useful phrases. You'll practice everyday vocabulary. And then, most importantly, you'll speak. So don't just sit back and listen. Speak out loud. Repeat the sentences. Try to copy the rhythm. And don't worry about making mistakes. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You need practice. And today, we're going to take one small step toward becoming a more confident English speaker. Now, I have a simple question for you. I want you to listen carefully to the conversation because I'll ask you about it again at the end. Today's question: what does Emma order to drink? That's the question. Don't look for the answer yet. Listen carefully to the conversation and see if you can find the answer. And here's what I'd like you to do. Listen attentively to the conversation and find the answer. Then write your answer in the comments. Don't guess. Listen carefully, find the answer in the conversation, and write it in the comment section. At the end of the lesson, I'll give you the correct answer, and you can see if you got it right. And stay with me until the end, because after the conversation, we'll look at some of the most useful phrases, everyday vocabulary, and practice speaking with slow shadowing. That means you won't just hear the English, you'll have a chance to use it. Okay, are you ready for day 1? Let's begin. And if you're ready to start this 30-day speaking challenge with me, don't forget to subscribe and come back tomorrow for day 2. Now let's listen to today's conversation. Emma is having dinner at a restaurant. She wants to order a meal and asks a few questions before choosing what she wants. Listen.
Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant.
Good evening.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
That's okay. How many people?
Just one, please.
Of course. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Thank you. This is nice.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like some water.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else to drink?
Yes. Do you have orange juice?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll have a glass of orange juice, please.
Of course. I'll bring that right away.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order your food?
Not yet. Could I have a few more minutes?
Of course. Take your time.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Then I can tell you about some of our popular dishes.
That would be great.
Our chicken with rice is very popular.
Oh, that sounds good.
We also have grilled fish with vegetables.
I like fish. Is it spicy?
No, it isn't very spicy.
That's good. I don't like very spicy food.
We can make it less spicy if you want.
Really? That's great.
Yes, no problem. What about the chicken? The chicken comes with rice and a small salad.
Does it have a lot of sauce?
It has some sauce, but not too much.
Okay, what do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled chicken. It's one of my favorites.
Is it a big meal?
It's a good size. Most people are full after eating it.
Okay, I think I'll have that.
Great choice.
Could I have the chicken without onions?
Of course, no onions.
Thank you.
Would you like rice or potatoes with it?
What do you recommend?
The potatoes are very good today.
Okay, I'll have potatoes then.
Would you like vegetables too?
Yes, please.
Any vegetables you don't like?
I don't like broccoli.
No problem. We can give you carrots instead.
That sounds good.
So, grilled chicken with potatoes and carrots.
Yes, please.
And would you like a salad?
Is the salad included?
Yes, it is.
Then yes, please.
Great. Would you like any bread?
Yes, please. A little bread would be nice.
Sure.
And can I have some more water too?
Of course.
Thank you.
Let me make sure I have everything.
Okay.
1 grilled chicken, no onions, with potatoes, carrots, and a salad.
That's right.
1 glass of orange juice, still water, and some bread.
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. I'll put your order in now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me,
Yes?
how long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
That's fine.
Would you like some bread while you wait?
Yes, please.
I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bread and water.
Thank you.
And here is your orange juice.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Please let me know if you need anything.
I will.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How is everything?
It's very good.
I'm glad you like it.
The chicken is really good.
That's great to hear.
And the potatoes are delicious.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. I'm full.
Of course.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great.
You can pay here.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, I did. Everything was very good.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Thank you for coming.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Well done. That was a long conversation, and you heard a lot of useful English. Now let's look at some phrases you can use in your own conversations. You don't need to memorize everything today. Choose a few phrases that are useful for you and practice them aloud. 1. I'd like. When you say, I'd like, you're politely saying what you want. You can use this phrase in many situations. For example, I'd like some water, please. I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich. It's a very useful phrase when ordering food or drinks. Would you like? This is a useful way to offer something to another person. For example, would you like some water? Would you like some bread? Would you like anything else? You will hear this question often in restaurants. 3. Could I have? This is a polite way to ask for something. For example, could I have some water, please? Could I have the menu, please? Could I have the bill, please? Try using this phrase when you need something. 4. Could I have a few more minutes? You can use this when you aren't ready yet. For example, the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" But you need more time. You can say, "Could I have a few more minutes?" It's simple and polite. 5. What do you recommend? This is a very useful question. If you don't know what to order, ask, "What do you recommend?" It means, "What do you think is good?" You can use it at a restaurant, a cafe, or even another place where you have different choices. 6. Does it have? Use this when you want to know what's in something. For example, does it have onions? Does it have cheese? Does it have tomatoes? This is especially useful when you don't want a particular ingredient. 7. I'll have. This means you're choosing something. For example, I'll have the grilled chicken. I'll have the fish. I'll have a glass of orange juice. When you're ready to order, I'll have is a very natural phrase to use. 8. That sounds good. Use this when you like an idea or suggestion. For example, the potatoes are very good today. That sounds good. Or, we have a table outside. That sounds good. It's a simple and natural response. 9. How long will it take? Use this when you want to know how much time something will need. For example, how long will the food take? How long will it take? This is useful in many everyday situations. 10. Could I have the bill, please? When you're finished eating and you're ready to pay, you can say, could I have the bill, please? You can also simply say, can I have the bill, please? Both are useful expressions to remember. Now, let's look at some everyday words from the conversation. 1. Menu. A menu is a list of food and drinks you can order. Example, can I have the menu, please? 2. Reservation. A reservation is a booking. For example, you call a restaurant and ask them to keep a table for you. Example, do you have a reservation? 3. Dish. A dish is one kind of food prepared as a meal. Example, what's your most popular dish? 4. Spicy. Spicy means having a hot, strong taste. Example, I don't like spicy food. 5. Sauce. A sauce is a liquid or soft food added to a meal to give it more flavor. Example, does the chicken have sauce? 6. Recommend. Recommend means to tell someone that something is a good choice. Example, what do you recommend? 7. Included. Included means something is already part of the meal or price. Example, is the salad included? 8. Bill. The bill is the amount you need to pay at the end of your meal. Example, could I have the bill, please? 9. Full. When you are full, you don't want to eat anymore because you've had enough food. Example, I'm full. 10. Card. A card is a bank card you can use to pay. Example, can I pay by card? Now, it's time to practice speaking. This part is very important. We're going to use shadowing. Here's how it works. Listen to the sentence, pause if you need to, then say it aloud. Try to copy the rhythm and pronunciation. Don't just listen silently. Speak. You don't have to sound perfect, just try. Let's practice 10 useful sentences from today's conversation. I'd like some water, please. I'd like some water, please. Do you have orange juice? Do you have orange juice? Could I have a few more minutes? Could I have a few more minutes? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I don't like very spicy food. I don't like very spicy food. Could I have the chicken without onions? Could I have the chicken without onions? That sounds good. That sounds good. How long will the food take? How long will the food take? Could I have the bill, please? Could I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Excellent. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're sitting in a restaurant. The waiter comes to your table and asks, "What would you like to drink?" Answer aloud. You can say, "I'd like some water, please." Or, "I'd like some orange juice, please." Now imagine the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" You can say, "I'll have the chicken, please." Or, "I'll have the fish, please." Now imagine you want to ask about the food. You can say, "Does it have onions?" Or, "Is it spicy?" And when you're finished eating, you can say, "Could I have the bill, please?" Practice these sentences again later today. The more you say them, the more comfortable they can become. Okay, now it's time to check the question from the beginning. I asked you, what does Emma order to drink? Do you remember? The answer is, Emma orders still water and a glass of orange juice. She first asks for still water. Then she asks if the restaurant has orange juice and she orders a glass. So if you wrote still water and orange juice in the comments, you got it right. And if you didn't, that's completely okay. This is a learning challenge. You are here to practice. You can listen to the conversation again and try the question one more time. And that's day 1 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today, you practiced how to communicate in a restaurant. You learned how to order food and drinks. You learned how to ask questions about a meal. You practiced asking for recommendations, and you practiced how to ask for the bill and pay. But remember, don't just watch this lesson once and forget about it. Come back to the conversation later. Listen again. Repeat the useful phrases and practice speaking aloud. You don't have to speak perfectly, you just need to keep practicing. Every day, we're going to work on a different everyday situation, and little by little, you'll have more English phrases ready when you need them. That's the goal of this challenge. 30 days, 30 everyday situations, more practice, more confidence. If you're doing the challenge with me, write Day 1 complete in the comments and tell me which phrase from today's lesson will you use in real life. If you found this lesson useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. And most importantly, come back tomorrow for day 2. We'll practice another real-life English situation together. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and well done on completing day 1.